So these are my thoughts. Normally on Christmas, I feel like, you know, the OSHO card, The Outsider. Child, looking through the gate at the rainbows and the fields beyond. There's a lock on the gate, but it's not locked. I kind of felt like that during my Christmases, which is super weird that it's come up again. It's been in my thoughts. But as to sort of analyse the cards, the lock is not locked. Maybe beyond the gate is going to be the new norm, and you just have to walk through it. Maybe in life you are the biggest obstacle, and maybe you are the only solution. And generally, if you read up about it, it was about to remind you not to act or be in misery for that. Well, you can interpret it in many ways, but how I like the water, because that means that you're in your head and you're analysing. The cold water, trust me, I'm not going that way, it's super. Will get you out of your head and into your body. Especially now as the cold water is like a full embodiment experience. And it just snaps you out of always analysing, always labelling, always just letting you be. We're human beings, it's the art of being. That's why I love the cold water, because no matter how much you want your labels and your analysing, it's good to have it as direction, but it's not good to live by it. And it's good to identify, but not live with symptoms. Time to change. So the water for me gives me so much more than cold water and breathing. It allows a purge. It allows to sit with the feelings. But like they say, this too shall pass. And Christmas was yesterday. And I had a great experience because I'm not choosing to dwell on the past. That no longer serves me. I have no idea what my future is, but it was really, really good to get out of my head and be in my body and see the beauty of the abundance that's around me. No scarcity when you're in nature. There was something going around the internet. It's like your first Christmas was a simple Christmas, and it was. I think so. So why not go back to basics? So why not go back to basics? So here I am on my Boxing Day swim. So my Boxing Day card I pulled was maturity. The distinction between the grasses and the blossoms is the same as between you not knowing that you are Buddha and the moment that you are Buddha. In fact, there is no way to be otherwise. This figure stands alone, silent and yet alert. The inner being is filled with flowers that carry the quality of springtime and regenerate wherever she goes. This inner flowering and the wholeness that she feels affords the possibility of unlimited movement. She can move in any direction, within and without. It makes no difference, as her joy and maturity cannot be diminished by externals. She has come to a time of centeredness and expansiveness. The white glow around the figure is her protection and her light. All of life experiences have brought her to this time of perfection.